Find the 4 screw holes of the front grille and unscrew them. After removing all the screws, be careful that the front grille may slide off. Remove the front grille. Find the digital thermostat. Take a tool such as pliers and gently unfasten the wiring port. There are 4 wiring ports in total. Press the thermostat bayonet paddle and remove the buckles on both sides. Then you can remove the thermostat from the front of the cover for replacement. Find the corresponding circuit. First, loosen the protective cover. Then take a tool like pliers to help you better untie the wiring port. After removing all the wires, push the switch button from the inside of the cover grille to remove the switch button. After removing the thermostat and switch button, you can replace the front grille. After the replacement is completed, all accessories can be assembled back. Press the thermostat in front with one hand, and push the orange bayonet in with the other hand to stabilize the thermostat. Install the bayonet on the other side. Before wiring, you can clamp the wiring port with pliers to connect the line more firmly. Then connect each line in turn. Pay attention to the direction of the button. Align the edge with the bayonet on the top. Push it hard into the hole, and complete the replacement. Then connect each line in turn. Install the front grille and tighten the screws. After all edges are aligned, tighten the screws to complete the installation. Turn on the main switch button and the light bar switch in turn to check whether all the circuits are installed correctly.